Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice quickly and easily. First, gather your ingredients. Day-old rice is essential for that perfect texture, so plan ahead. You'll also need your choice of protein, like chicken or shrimp, and some colorful vegetables. Don't forget the key flavorings: soy sauce, sesame oil, and fresh aromatics like garlic and ginger. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large wok or skillet over high heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, then quickly sauté your minced garlic and ginger for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, add your protein, such as diced chicken or shrimp, and cook it until it's almost fully done, stirring frequently to ensure even cooking. Once your protein is nearly cooked, push it and the aromatics to one side of the pan. Add your chopped vegetables, like peas and carrots, to the empty side and stir-fry them for about 1 minute until they are slightly tender crisp. Now, add your cold, day-old rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula to ensure it mixes well with everything else. Finally, it's time to add the magic. Pour about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil over the rice mixture. Stir-fry everything together vigorously for about 2 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and heated through. If desired, push everything aside, scramble an egg in the pan, then mix it in. Serve your delicious fried rice immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.